LEED certification. How does LCA impact green building? Imagine building a home that not only looks good but also helps the planet in a big way. That's where green building certifications come into play, especially the leadership in energy and environmental design, or LEED. Now, a key part of earning LEED points is understanding how a building impacts the environment over its entire life. That's where life cycle assessment, or LCA, comes in. LCA is a method that looks at everything involved in a building's life, from the raw materials pulled out of the ground to the construction, use, and eventual disposal. It helps identify which parts of the building are most harmful to the environment. When a project team does a whole building life cycle assessment, they compare their building to a standard or reference building. To earn LEED credits, they need to show they've reduced environmental impacts by at least 10%. This assessment covers many areas, like greenhouse gas emissions, which cause global warming, and the depletion of non-renewable energy sources. It also looks at how building materials affect the ozone layer, cause land and water pollution, and contribute to nutrient runoff. Embodied carbon, which is the carbon footprint from making and installing materials, is a mandatory part of this process. LCA must follow international standards, specifically ISO 14044, 2006, to make sure the results are accurate and consistent. This process helps architects and engineers choose materials that are low in carbon and design structures that produce less waste. By doing this early in the design phase, they can make smarter choices that improve energy efficiency and reduce environmental harm over the building's life. For those interested in sustainable architecture and energy-efficient homes, using LCA tools means comparing different design options side by side. It shows which choices will have the least impact over time. This approach encourages selecting materials and construction methods that cut down on carbon emissions and resource use. In the end, LCA plays a big role in green building certification by giving a clear picture of a building's total environmental impact. It helps create homes and buildings that are better for the planet, saving energy and reducing waste at every stage of their life. This way, we can build smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable spaces for everyone.